Hello and welcome back to our channel. Dark mode has become increasingly popular among smartphone users as it helps reduce eye strain, save battery life, and create a more immersive experience. If you're a Facebook Messenger user and want to turn on dark mode, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll show you a step-by-step guide on how to turn on dark mode in Facebook Messenger. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to switch to the dark mode in no time. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Messenger. The first step is to open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Step 2. Tap on the three stacked lines. Tap on the three stacked lines in the top left corner of the screen. Step 3. Tap on the gear icon in the menu that appears. Tap on the gear icon in the top left corner. Step 4. Tap on the moon icon. In the settings menu, you'll see a moon icon as the first setting. If the icon is not already darkened, that means you're on light mode. Step 5. Turn on dark mode. To turn on dark mode, tap on the setting. Two options will appear, on and off. Check the circle next to on. Step 6. Confirm the change. Messenger will display a message confirming that the theme has been changed to dark mode. Tap on OK to close the message. Step 7. Enjoy the dark mode. That's it. Messenger will now switch to dark mode, providing a more immersive and comfortable experience for you. You can enjoy a sleek and modern look of Messenger with a dark and moody interface. Turning on dark mode in Facebook. Messenger is a simple process that can be done in just a few steps. Whether you prefer the dark mode for its benefits or simply want to switch things up, this guide has got you covered. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.